Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you just can't seem to ignite that spark with someone special? What if I told you that just a few simple moves could unlock a whole new level of attraction? In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful yet simple strategies that tap into female psychology, guaranteed to turn her on instantly. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. So grab a pen and let's dive into these secrets that can transform your connections and make your relationships unforgettable. Let's start with our first move: confident body language. Did you know that over 90% of communication is nonverbal? Standing tall, maintaining eye contact, and using open gestures can significantly increase your attractiveness. Imagine walking into a room, shoulders back, head held high, exuding confidence. It's magnetic. But remember, overdoing it can come off as arrogance, so keep it genuine. And here's a quick tip: when she speaks, lean slightly forward. It shows you're engaged and interested. Just think, would you want to talk to someone who looks like they just discovered a new flavor of ice cream? Exactly. But what if she isn't reciprocating that confidence? This brings us to our next point. Number 2 on our list is humor. Did you know that laughter can release oxytocin, the bonding hormone? Sharing a laugh can create intimacy and ease any tension. Start with light jokes or playful banter. Think of it as your secret weapon. Just don't go overboard. You're not auditioning for a stand-up comedy gig. Here's a fun thought. Why did the girl bring a ladder to the bar? Because she heard the drinks were on the house. But if you find yourself laughing alone, it's time to pivot. Let's talk about the importance of being authentic. Moving on to point 3, be authentic and vulnerable. In a world full of filters and facades, showing your true self can be incredibly appealing. Share your passions, your fears, or a personal story. This not only builds trust but also invites her to open up, creating a deeper connection. Remember, it's okay to show your imperfections. They can be endearing. But beware. Oversharing on the first date can be a red flag. So how do you strike the balance? Well, you'll find out in our next move. Next up, number 4, create shared experiences. Engaging in activities together can strengthen your bond. Whether it's a cooking class, hiking, or even an escape room, shared challenges and adventures build lasting memories. Just imagine the thrill of working together to solve a puzzle or conquering a hike. Those moments are where the magic happens. And here's a thought: what's more exciting, sitting through a movie in silence or high-fiving after solving a tricky challenge? Exactly. But how do you make sure these experiences truly resonate? Let's explore the final move. Last but certainly not least, point 5, give genuine compliments. Women appreciate authenticity. Compliment her not just on her appearance but on her intelligence, style, or sense of humor. Imagine saying, "I love how passionate you are about your work. It's inspiring." That resonates far deeper than just, "You look nice." But here's a quick tip: avoid cliches. Instead of saying, "You have beautiful eyes," try, "Your eyes tell a story, they're captivating." And speaking of stories, have you ever wondered what happens when these moves come together? Let's wrap it all up. So there you have it. 5 simple moves: confident body language, humor, authenticity, shared experiences, and genuine compliments. Each one is a stepping stone toward deeper connections and making your interactions unforgettable. But here's the thing: implementing these moves isn't just about attracting someone new. It's about enriching your relationships and building a life filled with meaningful connections. Before we wrap up, let me ask you, what's one move you're excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below.